In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an application in Zoho Creator. We'll walk through the process from the moment you open Zoho Creator all the way to starting your new app using the on-screen prompts. Even if you're completely new to the platform, by the end of this video you'll know exactly where to click and what to look out for. First, open your browser and go to Zoho Creator. Make sure you're signed into your Zoho account so you can actually create and save applications. Once you're on the Zoho Creator homepage, you'll usually land on a dashboard or a user home area showing your existing projects and some navigation menus. From here, look for the option labeled Applications. This is usually visible in the main navigation pane or at the top of the screen. Go ahead and click on Applications. This section is where all of your existing apps are listed, and it's also where you'll go whenever you want to build something new. Once you're on the applications page, find the button that says Create Application, or shows a plus sign with that label. Click on Plus Create Application. This tells Zoho Creator that you want to start building a brand new app instead of editing an existing one. After clicking that button, you'll be asked to choose how you want to create your application. Zoho Creator usually gives you several options. For example, you might be able to start from scratch with a blank app, use a pre-built template, or create an app from an existing data source like a spreadsheet. Take a moment to think about what you need. If you already have structured data in a file, building from that can save time. If you want full control and are comfortable designing forms and workflows, starting from scratch is a good choice. If you're new and want guidance, a template can be very helpful. Select the option that best fits your situation by clicking on it. Once you've made your choice, Zoho Creator will guide you with on-screen prompts. These prompts will walk you through steps like naming your application,